Wonder if you could tell me what your organization does.
Okay, I'm at TUM Venture Labs Healthcare. TUM Venture Labs is a non-profit organization. We are helping startups from the early stage down to the hopefully successful funding. And we support them with co-working spaces, we support them with mentorships, networking opportunities, events. We connect them with VCs in this field and so on. So giving them the whole environment that they can grow and being successful with what they do. We're bridging the biopharma part, life science, biotechnology, down to the medtech and also over to the digital health. So in all cases we have teams, we have roughly 50 teams that are joined our TUM Venture Labs, and certainly we want to give them exposure as much as possible in whatever environment as possible,
Right.
Best environment.
And do you have physical facilities for them to use?
Yes, we have a co-working space where they can book rooms, where they have offices, but also the offices are normal equipped, and also we offer them meeting rooms there so they can meet investors, mentors, people they want to chat with. And also what is really nice that they in this co-working space can work together with the other teams, sharing knowledge, sharing best practices and so on. So really I think it's an open space where they can book themselves in and really work from there.
Right. And how long has this been in operation?
Since this year. We started in April with the operation of the co-working space, but the TUM Venture Lab Healthcare exists already roughly 2 years.
So how many companies have you got, are you working with currently?
So currently we have 50 startups, I think, as said, and in principle we have also the first alumni. We offboard teams when they get really substantial funding, because they then made it, and certainly they keep in the ecosystem, help other teams really being there and being knowledgeable for the do's and don'ts that you should do and not do in this field. So I think it's really also, we're also starting educational programs. So we are working with the Unternehmertum. Unternehmertum is an organization. They have really different kinds of formats, incubators, accelerators. And so we always point the right and best teams to where they are in the stages to these points. So that's really also something we really support them to find their spot where they are and develop them from there.
And it's good that you've already got some companies that are successful, so that can breed more success.
Right. Yeah, I think that's also something I would say always what the most teams are keen on. How did you get financing? How did you get VC money, business angel money, and so on? That's certainly at the end the success I would say they all aiming for. So we are in the process to bring them there, and certainly that they understand and learn. Okay. What is maybe their best strategy? Sometimes it's maybe VC, sometimes it's business angel, sometimes it's even not that. Maybe it's the sales of the product. So I think it really depends where they are, and we're helping them to find the right way.
And do you have a capacity? Is there a maximum number that you can help?
We are not having a capacity, so to speak. We have 50 teams. Currently it's quite crowded in our co-working space. It's not so many rooms, I would say. So we are at a long run, so maybe need to expand, I don't know. But in the moment it's quite nice. I think it's a quite nice area, very much open space for everyone.